Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you to talk about a machine that perfectly blends innovation, luxury, and raw performance, the 2026 Audi Q6 Quattro. This remarkable vehicle is not just a car, it is a statement of engineering excellence and futuristic design. Let us begin with the thrill that every driving enthusiast dreams of: top speed on the AUTOBAHN. The AUTOBAHN, known for its unrestricted speed zones, is the ultimate testing ground for performance vehicles. Behind the wheel of the Audi Q6 Quattro, the experience is nothing short of exhilarating. As you press the accelerator, the electric powertrain responds instantly, delivering smooth yet aggressive acceleration. The silence of the electric motor contrasts beautifully with the rush of speed, creating a surreal driving sensation. Within seconds, the vehicle climbs to impressive speeds, maintaining stability and control even at its limits. The Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip, allowing the driver to feel confident and connected to the road at all times. Now, let us shift our attention to performance, the true heart of this vehicle. The 2026 Audi Q6 Quattro is built on a cutting-edge electric platform designed to deliver both power and efficiency. It boasts rapid acceleration, going from 0 to high speeds effortlessly. The advanced battery technology provides a long driving range, making it practical for both city commuting and long-distance journeys. Additionally, the vehicle features intelligent energy management systems that optimize performance without compromising efficiency. The suspension system is finely tuned, offering a balance between comfort and sportiness. Whether cruising at high speeds or navigating tight corners, the Q6 Quattro remains composed and responsive. Moving on to the exterior design, the Audi Q6 Quattro is a masterpiece of modern automotive styling. At first glance, its bold and aerodynamic silhouette captures attention instantly. The front fascia features a closed-off grille, a signature element of Audi's electric lineup, complemented by sharp LED headlights that give the car a futuristic look. The sleek body lines enhance airflow, reducing drag and improving efficiency. The muscular stance and wide proportions give it a powerful presence on the road. From the sculpted sides to the elegant rear design, every detail has been crafted with precision and purpose. The lighting technology is particularly impressive, with customizable digital light signatures that allow the driver to personalize the vehicle's appearance. Step inside and you are welcomed into a world of luxury and advanced technology. The interior of the 2026 Audi Q6 Quattro is designed to provide maximum comfort and convenience. High-quality materials such as premium leather and sustainable fabrics create a sophisticated atmosphere. The cabin is spacious, offering ample legroom and headroom for both the driver and passengers. The centerpiece of the interior is the advanced digital display system, which includes a large infotainment screen and a fully digital instrument cluster. These displays are intuitive and user-friendly, providing essential information and entertainment at your fingertips. The vehicle also features cutting-edge connectivity options, allowing seamless integration with smartphones and other devices. Voice control and touch-sensitive panels make operating the system effortless. Ambient lighting enhances the overall experience, creating a relaxing environment during night drives. Additionally, the Q6 Quattro is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, ensuring safety and convenience. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking make driving easier and more enjoyable. Another important aspect to highlight is sustainability. As an electric vehicle, the Audi Q6 Quattro represents a step towards a greener future. It produces zero emissions, reducing its environmental impact significantly. Audi has also focused on using eco-friendly materials in the interior, further emphasizing its commitment to sustainability. In conclusion, the 2026 Audi Q6 Quattro is more than just a vehicle.
It is a glimpse into the future of mobility. From its breathtaking top-speed performance on the Autobahn to its luxurious interior and striking exterior design, it sets new standards in the automotive industry. It combines power, technology, and sustainability in a way that few vehicles can match. As we move forward into an era of electric mobility, the Audi Q6 Quattro stands as a symbol of progress and innovation. It is not just about reaching your destination, it's about enjoying every moment of the journey. Thank you.